Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Pokemon TCG Pocket Game on your PC. Guys, first open up your any browser on your PC, then just search for the BlueStacks and BlueStack website repeat on the top. So open up this bluestacks.com website and you will see here the download BlueStacks 10 option. So just click on this download BlueStacks 10 and just download it on your PC. Guys, this is the installer. Once it was downloaded, just open it, and once you open it you need to install it on your PC. You will see the install option here. Just click on the install and start downloading and installing. So once you download and install the BlueStack on your PC, now its shortcut was added to your desktop. So just go to your desktop and open up the BlueStacks shortcut, and once the BlueStacks will open, it will take some time, so just wait for it. Here you will see the option of system apps. Just click on the system apps and you will see the Play Store. Just open up the Play Store on your BlueStacks. Now here you will see the option of search. Just click on the search box and just click on the search apps and games. And now just type here the game, which is the Pokemon TCG Pocket. And once you type this game will appear on the top. Open it, just open up the Pokemon TCG game and then just click on the install, and this is how you can download and install this game on your PC. Once it was downloaded, you have to go to your home screen of your BlueStack and just play it. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking, and bye and take care.